Hello students, so this is zoology second year. So it is the structure of antibody. It is a four marks question of immunosystem children. So this is the structure of antibody. So antibody means whenever a pathogen enter into the body, when in our immunosystem produce antibodies. So that antibodies fight with against that antigens just like parasite or pathogens and virus or bacteria. Okay, so that is that antibody children. Now we discuss about antibodies. Listen, the antibodies are two types children. One is circulating antibodies, another one surface antibody, circulating and surface antibody. Here, the circulating antibody means they are present in fluid, just like they are present in fluid, or it is also known free antibodies. Now, the surface antibodies are present on the mature B cells here children. So, these are called surface antibodies. Okay, the antibodies are two types. One is circulating antibodies, it is also known free antibodies. They are present in fluid. Now, the surface antibodies, they are present on the surface of mature B cells or B lymphocytes. Okay, now this is the structure of antibody children. Here it is the structure of antibody described by Rodney Porter, is a scientist children. Rodney Porter. The Rodney Porter explained the structure of antibody. So what is the structure of antibody? It look like as a, see children, just a Y-shaped structure. Here just look like as a Y-shaped structure children. Now the antibody, it is composed by, or it has totally 4 polypeptide chains. You observe it children. 2 are the long polypeptide chains now. Here 2 are the long polypeptide chains. That is called heavy chains. 2 heavy chains. And next listen. So these are the short polypeptide chains. Is also known light chain. Okay. Totally the antibodies are composing by 4 polypeptide chains. 4 polypeptide chains. In that 2 are the heavy polypeptide chains and then 2 are the light polypeptide chains. Here children. 2 are the heavy polypeptide and 2 are the light polypeptide chains. That's why the structure of antibody, it is H2L2 structure. Children, it is very important. H2L2. H2 means 2 heavy chains, right? Then L2 means 2 light chains. So that's why the structure of antibody is called a H2L2 structure. Now, 2 heavy chains, listen children, here 2 heavy chains are binding by the disulfide bond, or 2 heavy chains are connecting by the disulfide bond. Now what is the point? The 2 heavy chains are binding by the disulfide bond. Okay, now here the antibody consists of 2 ends children. One is paratope, it is also known FAB children. FAB means fragment antigen binding site. Fragment antigen binding site. Another one. Another end is called FC end, that is fragment cell binding site. Here FAB means fragment antigen binding site. Here FC means fragment cell binding site. See here the antigen binding site of antibody here children. For example, listen. So this is one antigen, right? It is one parasite or a bacteria. So this is one antigen. That antigen binding of antibody. Here it is binding children. The antigen binding of antibody is called a paratope. What is that? Paratope. antigen binding site of antibody is called paratope. Next, the cell binding of, so for example children, this is the cell. Okay, the cell binding of antibody is called epitope. What is that? Epitope. Paratope means antigen binding site and epitope means cell binding site of antibody. Okay, now children, once again, structure of antibody. Antibody means whenever the pathogens enter into the body, our immune system recognize that antigens and produce antibodies. That antibodies are fight with that antigen just like as a police. Okay, now so these antibodies are two types. One is circulating antibodies, another one surface antibodies. The circulating antibodies are free antibodies. It is also known free antibodies that are present in fluid, body fluids. Now the surface antibodies are present on the surface of B lymphocytes or mature B cells. Now the structure of antibody, it is described by the Rodney Porter scientist. Now it is consists of totally 4 polypeptide chains. In that 2 are the heavy polypeptide chains and 2 are the light polypeptide chains. Just look like as it is a just Y shaped structure, children. You observe just Y shaped structure. Now it is the 2 heavy polypeptide chains are connected by the disulfide bond. Okay, so then it has 2 ends, children. The Y structure or the B antibodies, it has 2 structures or 2 ends. So one is called FAB and another one is called FC. FAB means fragment antigen binding site. It is a paratope also, children. In this site, the antigen binding to the antibody. Now FC, at this point, at this end of antibody, it is attached to the surface of B cells.